for love. Because you're that ass soul, bitch. I'm not. But this fucker is not musician, cause I talk to these guys too sometimes. I'm just curious, out of my curiosity, like, what do you do for a living? Because what the fuck bring you here? In a daytime, getting a nails done like a fucking woman, bitch. And they're not musician. No, they're like, I'm a digital nomad. Okay, what are you doing? E-commerce. What exactly? Because there's so many, like you say, oh, I'm working in the health department. Like what is your fucking part? The janitor in your hospital or what? Never really. Facts. I have few lesbian friends. Yep, I have two. One of my oh, that is so unfortunate. These girls, they all used to be my friends, but now not anymore because like we just choose our own path. They have their own boyfriend, girlfriend. Oh, sorry, girlfriend, because they're lesbian. Especially my biatch, the Canadian one. Man, every fucking day she's trying to get into my pants. She's like, hey Alita, if you're looking for girls, I'm right here, just don't looking for others. I was like, biatch, girl, come on, I like dick still. She trying to kiss me one time, but I was no. Bitch, no, we're just friends. It has color. The nails. I don't like it. But for me, it's gay. There's nothing wrong for being gay, right? Nowadays, gay is normal. But just don't deny it. Keep saying yourself is straight when you're gay. Clearly gay, you know what I mean? Don't debate about it. It's okay. Probably your uncle proud of you. Not your father. Unless your father is also gay. My friend has a gay father, but he actually have a baby with woman. I don't understand. So who got disappointed in this situation? The son or the father? I'm not proud having you as a father. Father? No, Nico, I don't like you. Don't kiss me. You're not my type. Sorry. On the floor. Yeah, after having his kids. Makes sense. He's having a kid with a Colombian girl. She used to be my friend too, but yeah, they're crazy, man. They fought a lot, and she told me because she's the most quiet Latina I've ever met, I've ever seen. And then every time this relationship got into fight, he's the one who acting like a girl, because he's the one who being too emotional. She's fucking cold. I've never seen such Latina has that personality before, but she does. So she built different. And I was like, no longer he's gonna follow his own father path. Gay. Can you imagine that? The the son, he got son, by the way. Like, so where is grandma, dad? You don't have grandma, you have grandpas. How did grandpas have you? Is one of the grandpa pregnant you or what? Imagine that. He's from America. You go for so many different types. I already make it clear to you what is my type, and I think it's pretty much simple. Hispanic. That's it. VIP, VIP. Hey. Selfie. Say cheese. I thought be happy, see me here, but guess not. No, no, no. I like you, Matty. Okay. No, I'm talking to Nico. Like, man, I'm sorry I gotta block you respectfully, cause you kind of look. I'm nobody to you. First of all, second of all, don't act like I'm your fucking girl. I don't like that. I don't like that at all. First of all, I don't know who the fuck are you. I appreciate that you subscribe me, but yeah, how much is it? I can send you back the money. If it's because you really like you want me to appreciate it as it's like so big. I already say thank you every time new people subscribe to me. I say thank you, man. I'm not a fucking ungrateful shit. You know that's why like I get pissed off. I get triggered easily as a human fucking being, and your text is really pissed me the fuck off. And then you send me your pictures. I was like, what the fuck? What are you trying to do over here, man? Like, I'm not getting on by that. I'm sorry. You know, you say, oh, I'm not happy. What else? I already blocked you. Sorry. It's for my own peace, okay? For my good sake peace, okay? I'm so sorry. Nico. On if you want to talk to me, talk on OnlyFans. And I had to get out from my own community on Discord community because I don't, because like, why the fuck you guys can text me without permission? You know what I mean? Just like straight away, I was like, what the fuck? I don't even accept it. But then Jacob told me, which is my mode, the moment you join, just be ready. People gonna text you whenever they want and they can have the access. Basically, like my house, there is no fucking fence or the door is not locked. I hate that shit. So I have to get out. But thanks though. Whoever joined my community, it's fine. You guys can see that, but I don't want.